I've just had an update to my app image of Audacity. We're now up to 3.4.2, which is fantastic. Loads of fixies apparently. So yeah, it should be good. Should be good indeed. Okay, so we're okay that. Just going to come off of there. I shall show you where I'll put them. This is in my hidden home folder, okay? .app images. I made a file up and I made another file called Audacity. And then I popped it in here, deleted the other one, popped this one in here, 3.4.2. I then right-clicked it, went down to properties, went over to permissions, ticked the boxy woxy. It says allow executing file as programmy whammy. It doesn't quite say whammy there, but it does say allow executing file as program. So always tick the boxy woxy. Then what you can do, you see, even if you're doing this for the first time, you can do this. You can pause the video to get what I've got, but don't go putting my name in because it won't work. You'll have to put your own name in or whereabouts you've got your app image, all right? A lot of people have done that when they've copied my files. They've put my name in, which is silly, isn't it? Right, .local instead of their own name in, and then they wonder why it don't open. Yes, very strange. Right, and then we go into applications, okay? So it's .local share applications. If you haven't got a file called applications, make one. It's very easy to do. Just right-click here. Just right-click and create new folder or new file or whatever. All right, go in here, create a new document. All right, an empty document, and then you can copy and paste all that if you want, or write all that down. Pause the video and write all that down, but do not put my name in. It's your name, all right? That's got to go where the exec is, okay? If you've got Audacity or if you've got other applications, it'll work with them as well, with app images, yeah? If you've got other applications, if you've got like something that you want to do a web one, I can show you that as well. I might show you that another day because I'm in quite a hurry today. But yeah, that's basically it. And what you do with this file, you call it, well, if it's Audacity, for instance, I called it audacity.desktop, okay? Now, the .desktop's got to be in, well, the desktop part has got to be in small letters, all right, in lowercase. But your Audacity you can have a capital A, all right? So don't worry about that. Okay, and that's basically all I done. All I done there, every time that Audacity gets updated, of course, all I do is just change the number around. That's all I've got to do in this here script, and also just activate it again, activate the new app image again by ticking the box, and you do the same in here as well, because otherwise you'll just end up with that, and you don't want that, and you certainly don't want that down here. You'll just end up with that, and it won't open, it won't do anything. You need to allow it, and then it'll go back again to that, and it'll open on up. Lovely jubbly. Yes, it will. So there you go. That's how you do that. I can show you other ones that I do. In fact, I could show you these. I have got them on over here. Over here, rather. Go on into here. We'll go into applications that I've got. These are online applications like your BBC iPlayer. Okay, and I can open up that. We got that there like that. And all I called that was BBC. I think I called it BBC.desktop, something like that. BBC iPlayer.desktop. There we are. That's what I called it. Easy to do. As long as you have the desktop part of it in small case, you'll be fine. All right, and it just saves into your network because it's an online app. Yeah, basically, and it opens up with Firefox. Well, this particular one does, but the one I've got at the moment is opening up with Brave, and you can have it opening up with any browser you like, Chrome, whatever. It'll open up with it. As long as you have network down here. Sometimes you need a semicolon, other times you don't. Very strange. Make your own. You can download your own icon theme for it as well, and just give it the path. I've always put my my icons into my icon theme of Sardi Ghost, so it saves me having to keep on carrying around other icons all the time, and I can just keep adding to that. So it doesn't matter When I upgrade the Sardi, I can easily take all of those out from the original Sardi Ghost Flexible, take all them out and pop them into the new version of Sardi Ghost Flexible. Yeah, easy. I can just compress those ones and then put them on back and everything will be tickety-boo, and it saved me having to go on through and then changing them into roots. Okay, that's what I do anyway. And there you go. Easy as that. So apart from this one, I haven't been on that for ages, as Jigsaw Planet. But yeah, it's a rather nice. Yeah, it's rather nice. That is Jigsaw Planet. We could go on there now. I could open with. Yeah, we could open it. There we go. Jigsaw Planet. If I sign in very quickly, just sign in. There we go. I can't remember my puzzles. Let's have a look. I haven't got that. Save games. I'm still on Popeye at the moment. I'm still doing him. Very good online puzzle. I'm doing Popeye. You can bring it up to full screen. If you become member, you'll get the dark mode. Okay, this is how long it's taken me. 180 hours so far just to get this far. Yeah, gotta have a good thing for it. You can go up to full screen. That's what I usually do. Push F11 brings you on up to full screen. You can get this to sort out and arrange the pieces for you so you can put it all together. There's also a ghost which will go over the top, and you can move this ghost around, I believe. You can. Or you can have the actual image. Yeah, it's so much easier with the image. There we are, is the image there. So that's what we're making in there. Yeah, get me. Yes. You just click off of that again. Settings there, and you can restart, and you can have a different background as well. You can have a lighter one, grey one. That's what I usually go for. It's the darkest one on there. So yeah, always have that one on. But yeah, there you go. Easy peasy to make these things. Really is. We'll just come off of there. Brilliant. Better lock screen, of course. I've got that running. That's already running. I think that's running off of my external hard drive now. So read it from there. Read it. Clip grab. Brilliant. That works as well. We can open up that. There was an error. All right. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's this one. Clip grab. Well, it was. This is fully installed now because they made it into a deb file, which was good of them. Kdenlive, that's fully installed now. I've got that fully installed onto onto Bare Metal. WhatsApp, that's up there. I wish it wasn't, but the way the world is, isn't it? I need it for work, apparently. Google Chrome I did have. I haven't got any more. Waste of time, that was. My 4, channel 4, my 5, I had Netflix. I ain't got that anymore. I come off of Netflix altogether. Got fed up with it. I've got Popcorn Time instead. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that gave you an insight on how to set up scripts and what have you. But yeah, like I say, you can copy that one off if you want. Just pause the video, but don't put my name in because it won't work. You'll have to put your own name in, especially if you've got app images and stuff. I'm just trying to teach, I guess. I'm trying to show you that you don't always need a fully automated stuff like a launcher and what have you, when you can write your own launchers, you know. That's what I do anyway. Thank you very much for watching. That is it from me. Bye. For now.